Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I break down relationship dynamics in real life and on TV. Check out my playlist in the description after this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will be sharing 5 tips to assist you on your co-parenting journey. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Separated and divorced parents almost always find co-parenting as one of the most challenging relationships to navigate once they decide to go their separate ways. Children are often affected when their parents split. They feel torn between the two people who are supposed to love them the most. Moms and dads often struggle with feelings of competitiveness, frustration, and misunderstanding. Many things about the co-parenting relationship in two different households can be complex, but it is possible for parents and children to adapt to the change and find a way to successfully co-parent after separation or divorce. Let's jump into 5 tips that are essential for this life transition. Many marriages fall apart due to poor communication, so oftentimes divorced parents struggle with being good communicators. For the sake of the kids, co-parents need to work on having open and productive communication. There are several communication channels, including talking on the phone, interacting face-to-face, communicating by email, and or texting. It is important for co-parents to remember they are setting an example for their child. Children are more aware than many parents may think, so putting forth your best effort is very important. It is much easier to work together as co-parents when you establish boundaries and recognize what you have control over and what you don't. Regarding your children and your ex, for example, you cannot control who your ex dates or even whether they introduce that person to your children or not. You can, however, control the example you're setting for your kids when it comes to dealing with disappointments and setbacks. Kids thrive on consistency and find themselves anxious when things don't go according to plan. Co-parents usually have to work a bit harder to keep schedules real and consistent. Remember to make the child's schedule a priority. If there are unavoidable conflicts, try to address them as far in advance as possible so everyone can plan ahead and there is less stress on the children. From time to time, it may seem like your co-parent is deliberately saying or doing things to upset you. It's best to take the high road to avoid unnecessary conflict. Parents who share a good, healthy co-parenting relationship do not attempt to manipulate each other or control their child's allegiances. They recognize that their children need to have a relationship with both of their parents and that their child's affection for the other parent is not a personal threat to them. Moms and dads often have different parenting styles, and when a disagreement arises, it's important to deal with it in private and not in front of the kids. If the children see mom and dad are loving and supportive of them and each other, they feel more secure. Don't put the kids in the middle of your disagreement or try to sabotage the relationship the other parent has with the kids. Successful co-parenting boils down to managing your own emotions. Any anger, resentment, or hurt should take a back seat to the needs of your child. Co-parenting is not about your feelings or those of your ex-partner. The focus should be about your child's happiness, stability, and future well-being. One thing I always encourage parents to do is to be the parent they wanted when they were a kid. Children deserve to receive the best version of you as a parent. If working on yourself will benefit your child, please do the work and give your child a childhood they won't need to heal from in their adult life. So what are your thoughts about co-parenting? How is your journey going? Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Have you considered working with a coach? Friendly reminder, I am a life transition co-parenting coach who works alongside single, separated, or divorced moms to personally assist you on your co-parenting journey. I offer a free consultation. Click the link in the description for additional information. If you have any questions for me or have suggestions for future videos, please put them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also share this video with someone you know that can benefit from this content. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.